Hello, welcome to Crypto News.
Today, the 11th of May 2023, and the top news for crypto is as follows.
We will go to the European Union, whose members voted unanimously to share tax data for cryptocurrencies. That is, if France wants to know when I bought Ethereum, Greece will provide them with that data, and Greece can ask France for the data. All this is specifically for cryptos. We will move on to our companies and start with Galaxy Digital, which is leaving America. The main reason is the very tough regulations and the extremely negative climate that the American government, SEC, and various people associated with crypto companies have created. Additionally, another company that may leave America is Binance US, which is seriously considering relocating to better places. Beyond that, we'll discuss our own Binance here in Europe, as announced by Capital Connect. Capital Connect is a Binance VIP service that you can check out if you have a significant amount of money and you're a Binance enthusiast. From what I've heard, it will offer more perks and exclusive deals. At this point, I'd like to mention that I believe Binance has launched new services due to the significant decline in trading volume, which was down 50% in April. So, I think they're trying to introduce new services to attract more people to the exchange. Moving on to our coins, let's start with Tether, which has reported substantial profits in the first quarter of the year, totaling $1.48 billion. This is very positive news for the largest stablecoin on the market. If you're interested in knowing what Tether holds in its reserves, it also has $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Great news for Tether itself. Now, let's discuss Ethereum. OFAC-compliant blocks on Ethereum have been reduced, resulting in a 27% decrease in censorship. In November, censorship had reached 80%, but now, thanks to over 60% of validators using uncensored MEV relays like ultrasound money, censorship on Ethereum is gradually declining. Although it didn't bother us much when it was high, it's still a positive development to see it coming down. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin gaps are at an all-time high for the past 5 years. It's the highest level since the rally in 2021, and they have reached the Bitcoin gaps. And the reason for these gaps is obviously the meme coin in Ordinal that we've learned there's an airdrop with Pepe worth $12,000. And speaking of meme coin, we're going to go to Mr. Elon Musk's personal account who posted this image over here, which says this is not a meme coin and he loves it. And for those of you who don't know what we're referring to the Milady meme coin, which has seen a slight increase since this tweet, and as least I found, there's an account that was created an hour before Mr. Elon put out this tweet and moved 25 Ethereum with a value of $45,000 from Binance, and bought 8.3 million Milady coins. And inside, we go to the crypto market, which is down today, and I'm surprised because the inflation numbers came out in the US, and it's very positive as inflation is down 0.1% and went from 5% to 4.9% in April. I personally expected a bigger drop in inflation, but a fall is a fall, and the price of Bitcoin, to be fair to Bitcoin itself, has made a small rise with these numbers, but suddenly there was a sharp drop. And what caused that sharp drop? Well, the Twitter account called Arkham put out a story for the second time that America is selling Bitcoin en masse, and it's gonna crash the price and we're all gonna be ruined and everything. It turned out for the second time that the company issuing the badges was wrong. The addresses that they were showing didn't even match with the addresses that the US government has on its Bitcoins, and apparently once again, their system was wrong. That's why I personally believe that the price of Bitcoin fell because too many people believed again that the US government was going to mass sell Bitcoin from a Twitter account that is wrong for the second time. And let me also remind you that this company is a company which is in the business of putting out the right signals to the markets. And that was the top news for crypto.
Today, 11th of May 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watched is content created for educational purposes only and in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment, which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.